Imagine this scenario with me. It's a nice, beautiful day, normal day for you. You decide to go out to your shop, garage, whatever you're working on, to continue on a project you're normally doing. Then, all of a sudden, you get the text from your pregnant wife. It's time. Immediately your body starts pumping with adrenaline, your heart beating out of your chest, knowing you have to rush to get things ready to go. You burst through the sliding door, as much as it's possible to burst through one of those, but you have a quick flash of thinking, hoping the truck is going to work this time. But you put that aside for the moment. You rush to get off your work clothes. Then you gotta pack a bag because you don't know how long you'll be there. Trying to remember and think of everything that you might need. As you juggle it all in your hands, you grab the keys, head out the door and run to the vehicle. You're hitting unlock on your run, only to discover none of the doors are opening. Then in a last resort, you're hoping the passenger side does. And in your last ditch effort before calling 911, your passenger door opens.
Now, while I haven't had this exact scenario happen to me, there's really big issues with these doors. That could be a very big problem. Let me explain. Now, the main issue that we have had does have a recall on it and has already been fixed, but we're still having an issue. And that problem is with the door not latching shut. Mainly this problem occurs when we have rain come in a cool front. That rain hits, creates a lot of moisture in the doors, and then the freezing temperatures hit, and that's when the problem ensues. It basically does that and just bounces right off. I've had this issue for 2 winters so far that we've lived here, but a new problem that's happened this 3rd winter we've been here is when we first came out to the truck and tried unlocking it, the driver's side and this back door did not unlock, which would be a pretty big problem in my emergency scenario with this being our only vehicle. So I'm gonna try from inside, hitting the unlock button, see that? But it will pop up if I use the handle. I have a lot of resistance there and something was snapping. Now I was able to get in because the passenger side here did unlock, so I had to crawl over to the center console and get in the other side. So I say all that to get to my main reason why I'm kind of annoyed with Ford right now. So the first winter we were here, took it in, got the recall done, taken care of. Second winter we were here, had some issues maybe once or twice, didn't talk to them about it, didn't do anything about it. This being our 3rd winter here, having the same issue and also the new issue with the door not unlocking. I went back to Ford, asked about it, they took a look at it and basically said that once we've done the recall, we can't do anything else. And one guy there said to call Ford customer service. I called Ford customer service and they pretty much said the same thing. You know, once it's been done, can't do anything. They said one other thing you possibly can do is report it to the NHTSA. And I did go into the website there and put in the report of everything of what's going on. And now I'm pretty much stuck with this problem and they can't do anything about it. So I don't know if, since this is the Fix Finder channel, if we're gonna have to try to find some type of fix for this. I'm not sure where I would get started on that. So I guess in some way I hope this message could reach someone at Ford and just say like, what's the deal, you know? But I doubt that's gonna happen. But also just warning you, if you're looking at used vehicles and this is a problem on, I think, the 2015 to at least 17, which is mine. I don't know if they changed anything from 17 to 18 when they changed the body style, but yeah, this is frustrating, and some of those other truck brand names are starting to sound really tempting right now.